Hi, Jason.
Listen.
Some birds singing.
Birds are singing.
Yeah. Instead of the beaks chattering. In the cold. I wonder if they do chatter. You know, like our teeth chatter when we call them. I wonder if birds beak do.
Do you know what I can't understand with birds? If you think about it, they're always standing up. Never really sit down, do they, or anything off?
Lie down.
Lie down or anything like that. Just always standing up. It's a bit like an elephant, don't they? They don't really lie down. Just
What do elephants do?
Do they? Oh.
Yeah. Right.
Right, you've wanted to do a video.
Right, I want to do a video of comparison, but also we could call it progression.
Progression?
Right.
So like the meaning of life?
So you're starting in motorhoming, campervanning, camping, whatever. So you've always got to start somewhere.
Yes.
Then you can progress, if you like it.
Yes.
You progress.
Yes. I like it,
and then,
like it.
If you really like it, you progress even more.
Okay,
so we go from basic to a little bit of luxury to total luxury.
It's an evolution of your camping journey.
And it could be an age-related thing, because you could obviously, at a certain age, you can only afford, your budget's only so much. Then your budget could go a little bit better.
Okay.
Then you could be pension release, something like that. Then you can go luxury.
And then normally what tends to happen, Kevin, am I right or wrong? You go all the way up and then you go back down again. Yeah. But we're not going to do the slide. We're going to do.
We don't go down.
Okay.
So you still have a bit of luxury.
Right then. So we need a van that's going to do the job. 15 grand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Reliable.
Reliable.
Looked after.
Looked after.
That's the important thing. Get one that's looked after. Don't get one that's beat up or
good mileage.
One that somebody's done in the garden shed. You know.
You're only going to get the basics.
Yeah.
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 I think I've got one for you, Kev. Yeah. It's there.
Got one there. Somebody's pinched the back off it though.
Started somewhere, isn't it?
Now I can see what you mean, Jason.
Here
there
we
it
go.
is.
We've got a 2007 Volkswagen. 15 grand. Yeah.
Yeah.
32,000 miles.
Yeah.
Service history all through its age.
Yeah.
I'm even going to give you, Kev, an awning.
Yeah. Looked after, isn't it?
Any dog? Can you see any dinks?
No dinks, no scratches.
No.
No scrapes.
Nothing.
Nope. Too bad.
Do you like that? You can have an aerial as well.
Yeah.
You can have a solar panel as well.
Got a high top.
Yeah. You can stand. Well, you can stand up in anything. Well, you can stand up in it, Kev. Yeah.
Go on then, let's have a look.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Kev.
It's not your standard Volkswagen rock and roll bed either, is it?
No, no.
You got an L-shaped lounge?
L-shaped lounge.
Yeah.
We can also make it into bed as well, because I have got up here, Kev. Hang on, bear with me.
Some slats.
Slats.
Yeah.
There's the aerial.
So I'll make a double bed.
TV aerial. Solar panel. Just look here. Sink with the water. 2-burner hob.
Yeah.
And
compressor
you can have
fridge.
A compressor fridge as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to give you a fresh water tank.
Yeah.
And a bin.
And your gas bottles in there.
And your gas bottles in there as well.
There's no shower room or washroom or anything in this.
No, no. Oh, I'll tell you what you can have as well, Kev. Tell you what you can have. Have a look under there.
You can have a porta potty.
Well, we think it is.
It is. It's been taken apart. It's too tall to fit under there, so they're taking the top part off.
Do you know what? Do you know what? You know when it's really warm and you're out, out and about and everywhere? How about an extractor fan?
Extractor fan.
Yeah.
And you can open your back doors as well.
Yeah.
Get panoramic view all round.
What more can you ask for?
15k.
You can take it anywhere you want, drive it anywhere you want.
Under 6 metres.
Under 6 metres, you can use it as a dual purpose. Low mileage for a Volkswagen, very low mileage. And you're getting all the basics that you need.
Yeah.
Happy with that?
Yeah, perfect.
So what do you want next, Kev?
Next, we go a little bit better. We'll have something with a...
You want a few mod cons?
A cassette toilet.
Okay.
Perhaps a shower. perhaps some heating.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've got one for you. Now it's going to cost you a bit more. You're probably now up into 20s, 25s. So it's not that much more.
No.
At the end of the day. But you're going to get a branded van now.
Yeah.
A branded van is what, Kev?
It's done by a manufacturer. You've got like Swift, you've got Rapido, all your major manufacturers.
I'm going to give you a Strada.
Yep.
On the Ford chassis. Yeah.
I think they're Spanish. I think.
Well, we'll find. Let us know in the comments what you are. Now this one's done 55,000 miles. It's 2008 on the Ford.
Nothing.
Good chassis.
Not even running.
No. So. Got a step, electric.
TV aerial.
TV aerial, like you said, Kevin. What does this van remind you of?
It reminds me of the Auto sleeper symbol.
Yes.
Very similar layout.
We can make 2 single beds.
Yep.
We can also make a double because this is quite cleverly done, and I'll show you because it's quite easy to do. So I'm only going to quickly show you.
That's why you're showing us.
What have you done?
That's why you're showing us, because it's easy. That's wet now, Jason.
Right, we'll have to put that on the front seat, and I'll go and get that over.
What you like.
I wish I'd never shown you that.
No, he's wet that cushion. Luckily it's only an infill cushion.
Right, so see how it goes across, can you see?
Yep.
Goes back, that'll make
Right, Paul.
a double bed.
Paul's going for his dinner.
Oh, it's alright for some, isn't it?
Yeah, dinner time.
Right.
I thought I was getting hungry.
I can hear your stomach.
I thought it was thunder.
So, that doesn't look right, does it?
Upside down.
Oh, we're getting blinds, fly screens. Yeah, do you want to pop in? See what else I can show you. 3-burner hob.
Yep.
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah.
Tap and sink.
Hot and cold water.
But you're getting a true heater. You're getting the hot water and you're also getting the heating. Yeah, happy with that? I think that'll just be gas only as well.
Combined oven grill. That's
there you go.
That's
combined
a bonus,
oven grill. Yeah. Fridge.
Yep.
Big size fridge.
3-way fridge.
Yeah.
As well.
Gas, electric as well. Nice simple control panel. And just pan around. How much storage have you got there? Yeah. All the way around.
Yeah, you're winning on storage here.
Massively.
You got storage up here. Yeah.
Yeah.
We've got a
storage
bracket there for a table.
Storage, Kev.
Yep.
Storage, storage, storage. Now you asked me for something, didn't you?
Yep.
Pop yourself in there, and if that, if that's okay for you.
Yep. We've got the table here. I'll leave that there anyway. We've got cassette toilet, proper cassette toilet. We've got shower tray. I like where the tap is for the shower. Tap's there. That pulls out your sink, and that gives you your shower. Yeah, you've got a nice, decent sized shower actually. That. Yeah. So yeah, you're coming up in the world a bit, aren't you?
Yes, you come up.
You're progressing. This is what we're talking. Progress.
This is all about your little journey. So yeah, you're starting your progression on. You've got your beds, nice and easy make up. You've got 2 swivel seats as well.
Yeah.
You've got your cooking area, and you've also got your wash area. Where do you want to go next, Kev?
I think now we go a bit more top of the range. Something with perhaps a nice separate shower. Perhaps a bed you've not got to make up.
Okay.
Yeah, a fixed bed.
Do you want a motorhome?
Yeah, we'll go for a motorhome.
So we've gone 15 to 25 at 10,000 jump. Well, it might be a bit less.
Yeah.
So if you've done a 10,000, do you want like a 20,000 jump?
Yeah.
20, 25.
Yeah.
And you want all the bells and whistles?
Oh, of course you do, yeah.
You can have it then, Kev.
Huh?
2019 we're going now.
And we're going AutoTrail Motorhome.
British. AutoTrail Motorhome.
Made in
2019.
Made in Grimsby.
Low mileage. Awning.
Yep.
Now this has also got an underslung tank as well.
So you've not got a separate gas bottle. You can fill up at the pump.
I'll show you where you can fill up from. You can fill up from there.
Fill up from
Fill
there.
the LPG up as well. Big awning.
Half the price that LPG at the pump, isn't it?
Yes. Step in.
You get your complimentary umbrella. Dustbin.
step in.
Fly screen across the door, like that. Nice lounge area.
Nice lounge area. Yeah?
Yeah.
I can make this up, pull this out, single bed if anybody wants to stop over. Yeah.
You can't carry a passenger in this because you've only got your two
belt seats. Storage all the way around.
Loads of storage. That nice skylight up there, nice, loads of lighting.
Drop down TV.
Yeah.
Yeah. You still with me?
What's that there, Jason? What's that there?
Oh, this has got a diesel heater on it, as well as your Truma heating system. So it's got a diesel heater on as well.
An additional heater.
Additional, yeah. So we'll move over. Nice kitchen.
Yeah.
You've got sink. Yep.
Good size sink, that.
Hot water, gas and electric. 3 burner hob.
Yep.
Hot plate.
Separate oven grill.
Yeah. And then you're getting a 3-way fridge as well.
Yeah.
Good size. You wanted a nice bedroom. Move into my bedroom, Kevin.
Into the boudoir. So we've got an island bed in this one.
Island bed.
Which is in a day position.
Yep. Because I can slide it down like so, push it up. And then under the mattress as well, we've got loads of storage
from outside. Yeah.
That's it. Nice panoramic view.
Yeah.
And then I would like you to check
the pièce de résistance.
And I know you like these bathrooms.
AutoTrail, you can't go with the AutoTrail bathroom. I mean, look at that shower. That is a full-size shower. Yeah. You've got your cassette toilet, you've got a nice wash basin, nice dressing area for when you get out of the shower, skylight above, plus a window. Yeah, very nice. Can't go wrong with the AutoTrail showers.
Storage as well, yeah. Wardrobes.
Good size wardrobe,
yeah.
Actually, that. Loads of space.
And what I didn't show you as well, microwave above. And if you wanted a little afternoon snooze,
separation there,
Kev.
Nice van.
So for obviously
we're looking to 50,
double your money. Yeah,
50K.
This is what you're going to get.
Yeah.
You've now built yourself up to a van now where you're off on your travels. With all 3 vans you can go anywhere you want. Well, as you can see from the progression, from starting off with a camper van, moving up to like a branded van, and then moving up then to a motorhome. You could go a step further and go to an A-class.
Yeah.
As well.
Or a tag axle with a 6-wheeler.
It depends how big you want to go.
What you've got to remember with this one, we are just over the 3.5 tonne.
Yeah.
With 3,650 on this.
But this could be downgraded because we think it's been upgraded.
Could be downplated,
anyway.
Yeah.
So there you go, the progression of your camping career, of how you start off to how you move up, and what money will basically buy you, really, to be honest.
And be aware that your licence has got to cover you for anything over 3.5 tonne.
Exactly.
You need a C1 on your licence, which, if you're old like us, you automatically get, but you lose it when you get to 70, unless you take a medical.
Finished?
I've finished now,
So
yeah.
there you go.
I like the upholstery on this, yes.
Yeah, it is nice, isn't it? I love this as well. It's got an LPG system on it.
Yeah.
It's got diesel heater on it as well.
It's
It's
internet.
got Wi-Fi on it, yeah. It's been reupholstered. Did you notice these in here, Kev, as well? Couple of fans as well.
You're a fan of that, eh?
Yeah. Cheaper than air conditioning, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
If you think about it. We have got an extractor fan up here as
Yeah.
well.
What you find if people do put air conditioning on this, they'll do away with that and put the aircon unit there. But you're losing natural light out of your kitchen when you do that.
You're still recording this?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. So there you go, the progression from a camper van right the way up to a motorhome, and probably when you do start out, it's probably the route that you will go along. And then probably as you do get older, Kev, am I right? You'll come up to this side, then you'll drop back down again.
It's your usage. What if you're getting the use out of it? I mean, something like this, it's a lot of money to have sat about. You've got to get your use out of it. Saying that, you can pay the same sort of money for a van conversion, but it's easier for travelling about if you're not doing a lot of continental touring, stuff like that. So I mean, if you go in places like Cornwall, Wales and places like that, or like I do to the race circuits, I prefer my van conversion. Okay. So that's why I've downsized.
Hope you enjoyed the video.
Yeah.
Please like, please subscribe, and please give us a comment to which van that you prefer and what your thoughts were.
And is the Strada Spanish or French?
Yes. Let us know in the comments. See you then.